Hi! So this is my first office tour. I've never done anything like this before, and I've wanted to for a while, so before I get comments about the quality, I recorded it on my phone. I was gonna get my camera, and it wasn't charged, so I had to charge it, and then I had to clear out storage, but it was just too much, so phone is what we got. So I'll also be narrating this, hopefully giving some in-depth things. We'll see what happens. Let's jump in. So this is my office. This is where I get stuff done, relax, where I'm at my center of my piece. I don't know if that makes sense, but got all of my stuffed animals. This isn't even all of them. I had to put some of them away, but that's what we could fit. So that's what we got. And then I have my dedicated shelves. So that's basically shelves dedicated to shows I like. Clearly we got the Spy Family shelf. It's not done. I'm adding stuff to it. Might need a bigger shelf. We'll see. And then we got the Kirby shelf with Cat. Cat's not from Kirby, I added it in, so it is. And then we got the keyboard with the shelves in the background. And this is where all the magic happens. My baby, my desk, everything for me. And then we got my pin board with all the pins I'm collecting. I got some decor. Obviously, we got the Chainsaw Man shelf, one of the shows I like. And then we got the Jujutsu Kaisen shelf. I put Demon Slayer in the middle because I was just like, oh, I'll just have the Jujutsu Kaisen shelves on the side, but then we got the Demon Slayer shelf as well. And the Sanrio section, but also there's random stuff on the side as well, but this is mostly Sanrio stuff, and then things on top. But that's like the video game shelf. We got the Sanrio shelf. Then we got the anime random thing shelf, is what I call it. Go up, and then it's obviously a lot of random stuff. And my favorite strawberry statue. Love it. And then obviously the gaming PC. That's where life starts, where life ends. And this is my boba chair. This is where I like to sketch and read. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you stuck around. If not, totally understandable. But that was my office. I want to get to a bigger spot so I can expand, but that's what we got for now. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a good one. Bye.